Friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, let's talk about the display of the Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G device. So recently, the Realme they're going to launch in India. So on the Feb 24th, the Realme Narzo 30 series. So right now, I do have the Realme Narzo 30 Pro kind of smartphone. So this is a Realme Q2 device, so which is exactly same replica of the Realme Q2 and which will be launching in the India on the name of the Realme Narzo 30 Pro device. So that's why I thought of doing a separate review on this one. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, because I'll be doing so many in-depth reviews on this particular model. So I did start doing with the display. So later I'll try to test the Antutu benchmark test and camera and the loudspeaker and the notification light and all those things which are coming in the upcoming days. So make sure to comment below what are the different videos you want me to do on this particular phone. So definitely I'll do my best before the launch date of 24. I'll try to cover as many videos as possible. So make sure to check the links in description for the playlist as well. So let's get started, friends. First thing is that let's discuss about the specifications of this Realme Narzo 30 Pro. What the display specifications it will be having. The display screen size will be of 6.5 inches display screen size, and the IPS LCD panel display, and the 1080 resolution, and the 120 Hz touch sampling rate. So touch sampling rate is 180 and the refresh rate is 120 Hz, as you can see. So these are the few things you need to know before buying this phone. So first is that the phone has the IPS LCD panel display, so not the AMOLED panel. So that is another one thing you need to notice. And next is having the higher refresh rate, 120 Hz, as you can see. So these are the few things about the display. And in terms of the display customization, so you don't have much options in terms of display customization, only the color temperature, and this is another option where you can enable, which might affect the quality of the videos little bit, but you don't have any advanced settings here to play around the display properties. So now let me try to quickly show you the one of the video file, so which will be demonstrating the display properties of this phone. So showing you the clear saturation and the contrast levels of this phone, whether it's good or not. So let's see, friends. In this video we'll get to know more details. So this is a video sample which I'll be using. I think the brightness of the phone is around, I think, 450 nits or 430 nits. So it's not too bright, but for the mid-range segment mobile phone, it's the same kind of other mid-range segment phones, I would say, definitely. So not like the normal high-end mobile phones. So we are having only 430 or 450 nits of brightness, but overall the viewing angle seems to be fine. But only one thing is annoying is that the punch hole will be kind of so big, as you can see, friends. So which will be kind of very big. So you can easily see the difference between these two phones if you notice the punch holes. So these are kind of punch hole which the Realme this Narzo 30 Pro gonna have. So let me try to quickly show you the Realme X7 Pro's punch hole. So this is a X7 Pro's punch hole. You can see the difference in terms of the punch hole as well. So that is another small thing to notice. But overall the display seems to be good, but not so great, I would say. But there is not such customization option available, friends. That is another biggest drawback here. So if there is an advanced settings to play around the colors and everything, but that would be fine, but there is nothing options in the Realme at the moment. So these are the few things you need to know about the display. The viewing angles are good, so no issues at all. And the display also seems to be same like the other IPS LCD panel displays. So I will compare with the other smartphones from the Realme brand alone. So maybe from the Realme AMOLED panels. So it is a Realme X device. So maybe I'll try to compare both phones side by side, Realme X versus this Realme Narzo 30 Pro. So you might be able to see the difference between the AMOLED and the IPS LCD panels more. But overall, these are the display quality is. So don't get higher hopes on the display quality. So that is the one thing I would say. And next is higher refresh rate and more touch sampling rate is also quite useful while playing the games. So that is another one more thing which will be really interesting to test in this smartphone. So don't worry, friends, I'll try to do so many gaming tests in this phone, testing the phone capabilities. So just in case if you are thinking of buying the phone, my videos will be really helpful for you to decide whether to go with this phone or not. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. And don't forget to comment below what are different testings you want me to do on this particular variant. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.